Hey, I'm Ehsan Bahrami and welcome to this video. Before diving into learning a programming language, it's important to get familiar with different programming fields like web, mobile, desktop, AI, and more. You need to figure out which one suits you best so you can make a research choice for your future. In this video, we'll go over the common programming fields so by the end you can pick the one that both excites you and has good earning potential. Before we get started, I recommended subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell icon to get notified when new videos are up. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and leave a comment. It really helps me out. And now, when it comes to starting your programming journey, there are two main decisions you need to make. First, which field of programming to focus on, and second, which language do you to learn for that field. Most people make the mistake of jumping straight into learning a programming language without even realizing that different fields of programming exist. They often choose based on what they've heard from friends or seen on social media without considering their own interests or what the job market looks like. This usually leads to frustration and burnout because they end up learning something they aren't passionate about or they don't fully understand how useful it will be. So, first, let's focus on the field of programming you want to get into. We'll start by exploring some common fields so you can make a more informed decision. Let's start with web development. Web development is one of my personal favorites. It's versatile because you can work on everything from medical websites to online stores. Even though it's been around for a while, the web development field is still growing with new tools and technologies coming out all the time. For a simple HTML website to massive web applications like YouTube, online banking, and e commerce sites, the scope of web development is huge and it's a solid career path since almost every industry needs web developers. Next up is mobile development. With the widespread use of smartphones, mobile development has become a massive field. People often prefer using apps over websites. So there's a big demand for mobile apps. As a mobile developer, you can build apps for Android and iOS and make money in different ways, like in app purchases, app sales, ads, or by working for a company. Now let's talk about desktop development. This is one of the oldest fields in programming. Long before mobile phones or the internet, desktop applications were already around, and they are still going strong today. Think of software like Word for typing, Photoshop for editing images, or even the calculator on your computer. These all fall under desktop development. Next, we have artificial intelligence. AI is a hot topic right now, and it has the potential to impact almost every part of our daily lives. As an AI developer, you'll need to understand how to use the computing power of machines to analyze data, learn from it, and generate new content, whether that's text, images, or videos, and that's just one of its many applications. Popular tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Midjourney, and others are all part of this exciting field. Then there is game development. Game development is a super popular field in programming. Many of us fell in love with computers as kids because of video games, spending countless hours playing them. As a game developer, you can code the game's logic and use game engines like Unity or Unreal Engine to create games that attract tons of players. Plus, there's a huge financial upside to being in the game industry. Now that you know more about the common programming fields, you can choose the one that aligns with both your passion and the potential for good income. With a solid foundation, you'll be able to move forward with confidence in your programming journey. One final tip. The internet is one of your best friends during your learning journey. Use it to research more about any field that interests you, and you might even discover new areas of programming that catch your attention. Remember, making a well informed choice will help you stay motivated even when things get tough. Thanks for sticking with me through this video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and choose all so you don't miss any future videos. Your likes and comments mean the world to me, and I always try to read and respond to them. See you in the next video.